Hello, in this lesson, let's learn how to add a pie chart to the worksheet. First, let's start by selecting the data for our pie chart. So now, while holding the control button, we also select the data from N9 to N16. Once we have selected the data, we go to the Insert option, and from there we select the Insert Pie or Donut Chart option. A drop-down menu will appear from where we have to select the 3D pie option. So once we click on that option, a pie chart will be generated, but it isn't quite ready yet. We have to modify some minor things in this pie chart. First, we double-click on the chart title and add a name to this pie chart. We will name this pie chart monthly expenses. Next thing to do is to go to the chart styles option, and from there select a style for your pie chart. We will go with this style. Once we have given a style to the pie chart, we click on the move chart option, and then we click new sheet, and we give it the same title, monthly expenses. Now this will add a new sheet to the Excel file and will automatically put the pie chart we generated in that Excel sheet. From here, we have to bring some other changes to the pie chart. We will start by selecting the chart element option, and here we go to data labels, and from data labels we select the data call out option. So once we have done that, we select title. All of the title will be selected, and we go to home button, and from here we increase the font to 16. So now you have a completely ready pie chart. Thank you for watching.